Hi, welcome to my channel. At this time, I will show you how to use Common Table Expression or CTE in Transact SQL or Microsoft SQL Server. For preparation, we need to install SQL Server Database Engine, of course, as well as Microsoft SQL Server Studio. Feel free to use another database management tool such as the Beaver, Navigate, or something like that. You can reach a sample database AdventureWorks 2019 from the link shown on the screen and then restore it. About how to restore the database in SQL Server, even in Linux OS, you can watch another video. Here is a piece of cake of database AdventureWorks presented by diagram. We have focused on sales transaction. We have a table name, sales order header, which records all sales transactions headed by date. You can see the table has many relations to other tables, such as customers, person, and salesperson. Okay, let's take a look at the CTE definition from Microsoft Learn. CTE specifies a temporary name result set. This is derived from a simple query and defined within the execution scope of single select, insert, update, merge, or delete statement. For the note, you cannot use to call a stored procedure or SP in the CTE query definition. This is the structure of CTE. Give attention to three parts: expression name, column name, and CTE query definition. Expression name is a valid identifier for the CTE, and column name part specify what columns you want to call from CTE query definition. Last, of course, you should write the select statement whose result set populates the CTE. Okay, this is the sample of CTE. Sales underscore CTE is the name of CTE. Three names in the bracket beside it are the columns you want to retrieve. Then, first select statement below is the CTE definition query. Finally, do you propose from the CTE by query? For this case, we want to know the count of sales by year. Next, let's practice with case studies. First, make your boss happy with the report of list the most shipped addresses by the year, and then give them some details with address. And now it's playing time. Begin with keyword. Define a name CTE, let's say address underscore list. Put the columns in the bracket. Continue with S, make a bracket, and I'm going to select sales order ID, shipped address ID, and get the year of order date from sales order header table. The outside query is going to be select shipped address ID, count sales order ID as sales count, and then the last is sales year. Don't forget to put the group by statement reference to shipped address ID and sales year, and give the order by sales year and sales count, both of them ordered by descending. You can put a condition in where clause as well. For example, show on the not null value of shipped address ID, although it must be primary key instead. Just for example, execute it by blocking the SQL statement and pressing F5 button. You can define more than a single city as well. For example, I create detail list here, which consists of address ID, address line, city, and postal code. The data is retrieved from the table person address. with associated columns we need. In the outside query, I add join statement to detail is on shift to address of address list and address ID of detail list. I mention columns address line, city, and postal code after select keyword. And don't forget to copy this column into group by clause. Let's block the statement and execute it. And you can see, as a supervisor, I will give you a bonus. Thank you for watching.